My name is Amanda and I'm a postdoctoral fellow at the University of Calgary in the Health and Wellness Lab. Today I'm going to be showing you the step up from your ACE home-based maintenance program. This exercise is a great lower body exercise. It also can serve to get the heart rate up a little bit. So you'll mainly feel this in your quads, and like I said, you might feel a little bit of an increase in the heart rate, but with this exercise that is okay. I'm going to show you just the basic step-up version here. How you can modify or change this exercise is finding lower or higher steps. A higher step will be slightly more challenging, whereas lower steps will be a little bit less challenging. So just do the thing that feels good in your body when you're doing it. If you have any questions about this exercise, don't hesitate to reach out to the ACE program at ace@ucalgary.ca. And there is a disclaimer on our website, so make sure you read that and check it out before you do this exercise or any of the other exercises posted here. So to get started, you're going to find a step, or if you don't have a step that allows for a nice angle for a video, you can use something else. So I'm going to be using yoga blocks today. You could do this outdoors, indoors. What you want to make sure is that your entire foot, both feet actually, can step all the way up onto the step and be there completely so that there's no risk of fall. So to begin, you're going to choose a lead leg. So for me today, it's going to be my right leg. You're going to step up, left leg will join, and then you'll step back down, leading with your right leg. And that's it. That's the motion, that's the movement. You're stepping up and down, leading each time with the same leg that you stepped up with. We'll do this, or you can do this, for 45 seconds to 1 minute, and you can alternate the lead leg halfway through, or you can alternate each time. Enjoy and happy stepping.